welcome back to another video, guys. I'm thinking this is just going to be a quick one. This is going to be my first ever subscriber request. I've never had one before, but one of my lovely subscribers asked me if I could do a Mardi Gras set that is very beginner friendly. Now, we don't do Mardi Gras in the UK. Quite ignorant of me, I didn't have a clue what it was. Why would I? We don't celebrate it in the UK. So I just had a quick browse of what colours are Mardi Gras kind of colours. Now, you all know I like my nails quite plain, quite simple. And the minute I typed into Google Mardi Gras, it was just purple, green, yellow and gold, and just splashes of colour and everything, really, really busy. And I was like, oh my god, what am I going to do? But true Aggie style, I'm going to keep it as plain and as simple as I can. It is going to have to be beginner friendly, so nothing fancy smancy pants today. So yeah, all the colours that was in every picture was purple, green and yellow, and a lot of gold as well. So I am going to be using glitters. I needed a purple, a green and a yellow, and these are the only ones. I've got loads of purple, green and yellow glitters, but these are the only ones that I've got where I've got in the same type of glitter. I didn't want different glitters from different collections. I wanted them to be the same. So these are the ones that I'm using. They're just plain colours, a bit of iridescent. I've got a gold from Premier Gel and it's called Gold Dust. That's the colour there. It's beautiful. So my base colour, I'm just going to do the nails white. I actually haven't got a clue what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a glitter fade on 3 of them using these, and that's as far as I've got. So I'm going to give them all a white base. I was going to do a pink base, but yeah, I don't think pink's going to go with these colours and the gold. So anyway, white kind of goes with everything, doesn't it? So I'm going to give all these, I'm using my Beatles white I've never used before. So I'm going to give them all a coat of this. And I'll give them a second coat off camera. Right, now what we're going to do is get some of this glitter put on. So I'm just going to put base coat on the nails that I want to put the glitter on. I'm going to do with the glitter, just a glitter fade coming down from the top. So yeah, we're just going to put the glitter into some wet base coat. Right, we'll start with the green. I'm going to tip some into my tray just because all that fine will have dropped to the bottom of the pot. Oh. Right, like I normally do, I'm just going to use a little detailer brush. Should I bring you in a bit? You're a bit far away up there, aren't you? I'm just going to use a detailer brush to do this glitter fade, just so I can place some of the bigger bits. When I'm using a glitter that's got chunkier bits like this, I like to place some of these chunky bits and then fill all the gaps with the small bits. So I'm just going to stick some music on and let you watch this, guys, because it's going to get quite boring otherwise. Right guys, that's all my glitter on. Isn't it pretty, that glitter? Right, what I'm going to do is, because I want this to be as beginner friendly as possible, so as little products as possible, I'm going to use the same base coat that I used to put the glitter on. These have all been cured in the lamp, by the way, so that glitter's not going to move. I want to paint a little border around the bottom of these, so I'm going to have to seal these glitters in. I'm going to use the same base coat. No, I'm not. I'm going to use an old base coat. I don't want to get glitter in this one. I'm going to use an old base coat just to seal them in a bit. Right, I'm just going to use this Lucia. It's an old base coat. Has it even got any in it, for starters? Yeah, it's got some in it. So yeah, I'm just going to seal these in with a bit of base coat, so I can paint over them. And then we'll get these cured in a lamp again for 30 seconds. Right, I'm going to cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I might give them a second coat. And I'll give them a quick buff to get them smooth as well. Right, so that's them glitter nails all filed and buffed now. Nice and smooth. What I'm going to put on my palette is, I want 3 colours, similar colours to the glitter. So I'm using this green from You Are Sugar 107. This yellow from GD Coco 818. And purple from GD Coco 832. I'm just going to put a little splodge of each of them on my palette. Right, and what I'm going to do is, on the green one, I'm going to do a little purple border around the end. Really struggle with these Mardi Gras nails. Just didn't have a clue what to do. But we're going to go with this anyway. Yeah, I'm going to put a purple border on this green one, and then a yellow one on that, and a green one on that. Right, that's them all cured. What I want to do now on this middle nail, I want to write Mardi Gras at the top. And I want to do some sort of, they all wear these like masquerade kind of face masks, don't they? So yeah, I want to write Mardi Gras and then do some sort of fancy face mask. I'm going to do the writing in different colours.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Right guys, that's my gel polish painting done. What do you think? Really haven't got a clue what to do on this pinky. So what I'm going to do to tie this pinky in with the rest of the nails, I'm just going to put some of these small hexes, all different colour dots. I might put a couple on this one as well, just to help tie it in. So I'm going to give the nails a base coat and just stick some of these little hexes on this pinky. And I think I'll put a couple on that middle nail as well, just to help tie this pinky in. Just looking at the pinky and not got a clue what to do with it. So that's what I'm rolling with. I'm just going to use the little tiny hexes, just so it kind of looks like polka dots.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Right, okay. They ended up being quite busy after all, didn't they? But it's Mardi Gras. By the looks of what goes on at Mardi Gras, yeah, they had to be a bit OTT. Anyway, shall we get these top coated and see what they look like? Very clashy, those colours, aren't they? Purple, yellow and green. Never would I ever put those colours together. Yellow and green maybe in summer, but definitely not with the purple. But oh, look at that glitter. I love that iridescent glitter. It's so pretty. So pretty. And there's my little mask. I would love to go to Mardi Gras. It looks mental. It does. Let me know in the comments if you're from the US. Do you go there? Have you been there? Is it even going to be on this year? Is anybody going to be able to stop you? Because it does look like a crazy celebration. But yeah, let me know. I'd love to know if you've been, or how many times you've been. What did you get up to? Or is that a secret? What happens at Mardi Gras stays at Mardi Gras? Is it one of them? Right, I'm going to stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds and that's them finished. Look at that glitter. Oh, I love that glitter. The camera does it no justice. No justice whatsoever. Okay, there we go. What do you think? Oh, I wish you could see that glitter like I see it. It looks nothing like I'm seeing it on camera. Nothing like it. It's such a shame. It really is. But as busy as they are, I quite like them. I do. I hope they are beginner friendly enough for you. As I said at the beginning, this was one of my subscribers that asked me if I could do a Mardi Gras set beginner friendly. And I suppose if you didn't have the glitter in these colours, you could just do a gel polish ombre. You could just use yellow gel polish, purple gel polish, green gel polish. You could do it all with gel polish. Even these dots, you could use the same gel polish for dots. But yeah, I quite like them. Definitely a first for me, Mardi Gras. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Ooh, what's that on my finger? Remember to hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care, bye.